I contacted Sheikh Khalil when I was completely helpless and depressed. I really couldn't tolerate the things that was happening around me at that point of time. That soon my boyfriend would get engaged to another girl. I didn't know the reason why this sudden change happened, but I was serious and dedicated in my relationship. So I fixed an appointment with Sheikh Khalil with so much of confidence because of the research that I did on the other spellcasters and Sheikh Khalil. I expected that my boyfriend would come back to me for sure, but to my surprise, the way Sheikh Khalil turned things in my favor was surprisingly mind-blowing. Not only my boyfriend came back to me with a sorry figure, but also surprised me each and every day by treating me like a princess. So he narrated me that day and night thoughts about me kept him so busy that he couldn't do anything apart from missing me. All I can say is Sheikh Khalil is not just a name. He is full of angelic powers to turn things onto your favor.